Test. Good afternoon. How's everybody doing? Good. Let me just center myself here. Perfect. My name is Andrei Poliakov. I'm going to take a few minutes of your time to make a couple of really exciting announcements. I am the CEO and founder of APX Lending, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about compliant crypto-backed lending. Hopefully, if this clicker works. There we go. So, as I mentioned, my name is Andrei Poliakov. In 2017, I started a company in Canada called Coinbase, and we grew that to be into one of the largest licensed crypto exchanges in Canada. And fast forward to 2024, I'm now running APX Lending, which has a very strong focus on, again, compliance, safety, and security. And my mission with APX is to really set the gold standard for crypto-backed lending, not only in Canada, but around the world. So taking a step back a little bit for our audience that's not quite aware of what is crypto-backed lending. So a crypto-backed loan is basically any type of loan where cryptocurrency, most often Bitcoin or Ethereum, are used as collateral. And like any securities-based lending product, these loans are over-collateralized. So more Bitcoin is pledged as collateral than the actual loan that's issued out. Now there are two types of lending businesses in the crypto world. One's DeFi, which is decentralized, and Aave is a great example of that. And then the other stream is centralized, and APX Lending would be an example of a centralized crypto-backed lending business. Very excited to say that since our launch last year, we've had over 10 million in loan applications come in, and you can see on the screen behind me the APX Lending platform. We have a very strong focus on simplicity and intuitiveness and again, compliance, safety, and security. So some of the key differentiators for APX and why we're so excited to grow not only in Canada but globally as well is we're one of only few platforms that offer crypto-backed loans that are both registered with FINTRAC in Canada, FinCEN in the US. We have a number of applications in around the world with regulators, including with OSC in Canada. Currently going through our SOC 2 audit, and for those of you in the audience that have had the pleasure of going through a SOC audit, you can appreciate how fun that is. But most importantly, what differentiates us as a lending platform is the fact that we do not reinvest the collateral that our borrowers pledge. And that collateral is held in segregated cold storage wallets with qualified custodians. It's insured, and it does not move from its wallet for the duration of the loan. So as a borrower, you don't have to take my word that we don't pledge your collateral elsewhere, we don't rehypothecate it, we don't reinvest it. You can just go on chain and you can check for yourself. And that's really a key component that really gives that transparency to our borrowers. So, very happy to make two announcements today. The first one being that we are unveiling our white label solution that we have developed for banks, financial institutions, lenders, and other fintechs that are looking to offer crypto-backed lending services to their end clients. Some of the benefits of our white label solution. If you're a financial institution looking to offer crypto-backed lending services or credit services to your clients, you can spend a couple of years building out the technology, or you can take about 6 to 8 weeks and roll out our solution. It could be completely branded to your brand assets, completely customizable, high availability, full API integration as well, so this can live within your current user interface, and scaled and scalable as a technology as well. The second announcement I'd like to make, I'm very, very excited to make this announcement today, is our expansion into the US. So APX Lending is now available to commercial borrowers in over 30 states in the US, and we offer loans up to $10 million in size. So for a Canadian company to make that sort of expansion abroad is very exciting, not just for the Canadian industry, but I think for the crypto industry as a whole. And we also, as I mentioned, do have a number of applications in place in the US to issue retail loans as well. And some of the benefits of borrowing from APX Lending, again, is our strong focus on compliance, safety, security, the fact that we don't reinvest the collateral, and it's visible to our borrowers for the duration of the loan. Very, very important. If you are looking to access liquidity and you don't want to forego, you don't want to sell your Bitcoin, either because you think it's going to continue appreciating or because you don't want to get hit with tax implications, you can always use that Bitcoin as collateral or that Ethereum or the crypto assets and take a loan out instead. And I hope you consider using APX Lending for that, should you wish to do so. On that note, I would like to thank you, and this has been a presentation by APX Lending. Thank you so much.